The last thing that you should do in business, and I'm sure I don't have to tell you this, but is to be a commodity, to be in a battle for price. You want to make sure your business is so distinctively different and unique that people will flock to you. People will be loyal customers of you. And you do that by building human connection. My name is Nick, and I'm the founder of The Visual Era. I have been making videos for business literally my whole life, since I was 9 years old. And I learned very early on the power that video has to kind of influence people, right? And after having the honor of working with some of the most amazing people and brands in the world, I formulated one single video that would free all businesses from the struggles of marketing and really making a difference in the world. And that video was the video business card. It's an asset that takes people all around your business and to connect emotionally with people, like 100 tour guides, 100 salesmen working for you at all time, better than all of your salesmen combined. Take, for instance, Allison Rogers. She's a dog trainer in Southern California. And when I learned that she spends 1,200 hours a year on the phone selling dog training services, I realized, like, oh my gosh, let's build a video business card. Immediately, she went from spending 1,200 hours a year on the phone to closing 95% of calls without ever getting on one. Why? Because people wanted to talk to her because they didn't understand her. They didn't trust her. And by building a video business card, not only did she not spend all that time on the phone, but she went from working out of her backyard to running a multi-acre operation and becoming one of the top dog trainers in the world. So The Visual Era is a video marketing agency for businesses. We specialize in creating these video business cards. And we don't stop there. Not only do we produce video business cards, but we provide our clients with a simple yet powerful 10-point marketing plan designed to double the efficiency and revenue of a business in 18 months. So just like you, we don't have all the time in the world. So we take on 4 clients a month to build video business cards for. So if you're somebody who has a business and you really want to make a difference with this business, you have services or products that work, and more importantly, you can handle the expansion of business, then you can fill out an application to work with us. And I really encourage you to do this. Head over to thevisualera.com. You can fill out an application form to get your own video business card made, and we'll look it over, and if it's a fit for us and we like what you have to say, then we'll absolutely reach out and get to know you a little further. Thank you.